I want to use them to go to dinner. Keep them nice. Headache. So I'm cutting something. It's in my hand. It goes directly where I want it to. Full control over everything I do. Headache. Okay, go ahead and take a load with some of those chunks. And you're clear.
Oh, yeah, these are so big, I don't know if I'll be able to take them.
What's that?
They're so big, I'm gonna need your help.
Yeah, but you can keep walking out some of the small pieces.
Yeah.
Go ahead and just grab the, like these chunks I'm dropping, we're gonna chip all of them. You can throw them right in the chipper.
Yeah.
So just grab one in each hand. Make your trip worth it. If you need to put it over your shoulder, then so be it. Whatever's the most comfortable. I'm cutting them small so you can grab them. We're just chilling today. We're just chilling. We're taking the roads we follow. Oh, come here. Come here, girl. Be a good flip line. Separate our ropes. So if I cut this, this is going to catch me. If I cut this, this is going to catch me. There's no reason to have your flip line and your lifeline in the same place, because you can cut them both at the same place. You want to have separation, about a foot of separation in between your safety lines. Couple of snap cuts. Headache! Hiya!
Clear.
Headache!
Clear.
Hiya! All right, you can take one of those.
Okay.
Just keep working material out. Clear. Clear. Nice load, son. ba ba ba. Liquid amber Styrosiflua. You're clear. Couple of little buddies there for you. Headache. Yeah, whatever you can grab. That's a little heavy, son.
No, it's not.
All right, just protect your back. Lift with your legs, keep your back straight. Ba ba ba. Bow. Ba 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 ba. Clear. I'm gonna go right down here.
Water break.
Water break. All right, I wonder, one more cut and I'm out of this tree. I wonder how many minutes. Like a glove. Bow, bow, bow. A butterfly!
That's Shannon. Butterfly.
Bow. All right. Contact. Ba, ba, ba. That is a nice little liquid amber Styrosiflua removal